better find a place to park your vehicle, because if you do not, Mr. Alcatel Joy Tab 2, the location you're going to be driving to is the 187 District Court. I don't understand what people don't understand. You are in a courtroom. And the last I checked, you could not be driving a vehicle in the courtroom. This is not a time for people to be going and running their errands while they are on Zoom. You are in the 187 District Court. So everyone who's out there driving, you better find a location, pull over.
Your Honor, this port, I'm the one that's driving right now. I was at a location. I'm on the tablet. It was gonna die, so I'm on my way to the house right now. I'm not running no errands or nothing. I take this court very seriously, and I'm going to the house right now to get on this charger and do it from home. I apologize so much, man.
Well, I do know that all cars come with the ability to charge your tablets, charge your phones.
Yes, ma'am. I have it on the charger, but I'm trying to get to a house. I wasn't trying to do court in a car.
Yes, well, where you are now is in a vehicle.
Yes, ma'am. And I'm heading home. I will be there in literally by 1 minute exactly.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel that scans the docket so you don't have to. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Getting high, ruining your life is one thing. However, when you have children, important thing in your life, well, then you need someone or something to intervene and fix your situation. And today, Ms. Hernandez, who originally is on probation for abandoning her children, is back because she has still not made her children numero uno. And I think Judge Boyd has had enough. And I just want to apologize now. There's a word that you could pick up on starting with D that I had to take out or else it wouldn't be monetized, so you could get the gist of it. Sorry. Thank you for commenting on all of our content. I truly appreciate it. It goes a long way. Check out this harsh hammer drop that was just dropped yesterday. Make sure to like and subscribe. Set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
Judge, this is Bridget Garza. Have we heard anything about the prosecutor checking in?
Yes, Judge, I'm here.
Okay.
All right. So Bridget Garza, stop just a moment. Bridget Garza, I'm going to send you to breakout room number 22.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Your Honor, man.
Wait.
Okay, sorry.
Victoria Hernandez, where are you?
I'm here.
All right. Just one moment. My computer is working very slow.
You have to have patience in your pocket, Judge.
Oh, I have it there. It's there. Can you imagine what my mom would say if I didn't have any patience? She'd be like, didn't I teach you better than that? And I'm like, yes, Mom. All right, Victoria Hernandez, we're here. And the reason why we're here is we're here for a compliance hearing. This is not on the record. This is just me trying to get your attention.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are on deferred adjudication for abandoning a child with intent to return. Do you have an idea why you're here today? Yes. Why are you using?
I have stopped using.
No, but why are you using probation out of this court? Do you want to go to prison?
No, ma'am.
I mean, you can go there for 2 years. If you want to use drugs, I don't think they'll allow you to go at the prison. But if you want to, I can send you to prison, and that way you won't have to follow the rules while you're on this probation. You can follow whatever rules they set for you at the prison. And some of those rules include not being able to take a bath, because I don't think they have bathtubs there. You don't get fabric softener on your laundry. My understanding is they put everybody's laundry together and you get what you get. So, is that what you want?
No, ma'am.
And are your children with you?
Yes, ma'am.
They live with you?
Yes.
So what is the issue with a mom taking care of children? That's not good for children. So you want to explain that to me?
Mm,
Like, I'm trying to figure out what is your problem. For example, you know that I can send you to prison, but yet you continue to use drugs. You know you should be a better parent for your children, but yet you continue to use. So I'm trying to figure out, why is this happening? Maybe you're a lost cause. I like to think of human beings as not being lost cause, but maybe at this point in your life, there's nothing I can do for you and you need to go to prison. So again, what is your issue? Why do you continue to use while you're on probation? Not that you shouldn't anyway, because you're taking care of children. I mean, you're shaking your head yes and no, but honestly, I don't even think I'm getting to you. And I don't know why Child Protective Services is not involved, because somebody should not have children when they are used. Do you understand?
yes, ma'am.
But you continue to do this. How old are you?
22.
And where are you using your?
After work.
So instead of taking care of your children, how old are your children?
7, 6, and 3.
So they know you're.
No, ma'am.
No, trust me. Your children know when their mom is high and they're not all there. And I guarantee you, the 6 and 7-year-old are taking care of the 3-year-old.
No, ma'am.
And they didn't buy into that. No, when you're drugged out of sleep, the 6 and 7-year-old have to take care of the 3-year-old. That's the way it is. And guess what? Your 6 and 7-year-old don't want to be a parent to a 3-year-old. That's not their child. They don't want to change that child's, I don't know if the child is still in diapers or not, but they don't want to feed the child. They shouldn't have to do any of that. That should be all on you, because you decided to have 3 children, 6, 7, and 3 at 22 years of age. And I don't know if you're away from your problems, but it's different when it's a problem not of your own making, but these are problems all of your own making. Abandoning your child, being on deferred adjudication out of this court, that's a problem of your own making. Nobody told you to do that. You did it. Nobody told you to do that. You're doing that on your own. If the pressure is too much for you, then you should be going to parenting classes, which is what I ordered. Again, I don't know why Child Protective Services is not involved. I think that there should be a CPS worker liaison in every last one of these courts, because you are not fit to parent at this point in time. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what we're going to do to her probation officer. It is Chavez. Chavez, this is what I want done with Ms. Hernandez. I want her to continue to test. If her levels go up, I want a motion to revoke file. And what that means, Ms. Hernandez, is the police will pick you up wherever you may be, because a warrant is going to be issued for your arrest. It may be at your job. It may be at your home. In which case, when that happens, Child Protective Services is going to get called. So you're going to at a facility, or either going to start on your own. And I'm going to want field visits, random, 3 times a month. And I want a field visit at her house today, so somebody can check on her children and see how they're doing. Because I know that the 7-year-old and 6-year-old are taking care of a 3-year-old, and they shouldn't have to. And I know that the 7-year-old and the 6-year-old are cooking breakfast for a 3-year-old, and they shouldn't have to. And I know the 7-year-old and the 6-year-old are dressing a 3-year-old, and they shouldn't have to. And I know a 7-year-old and a 6-year-old are probably tense, because they're like, we got to watch our mom, because our mom is she's not here 100% of the time. And we got to make sure that we're all protected from our mom who won't stop using to make bad choices. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else that she needs, Ms. Chavez? Oh, I'm sorry, you're on mute.
Ma'am.
All right, I'm sending you to breakout room number 1.